In teapot program, we have mainly four functions. We'll see one by one. One first function is wall function. Uh, we have already discussed there is a wall in a teapot. The first function is wall. That is why wall is used. And the second one is a table leg. That is a table leg you are using. Since there is a table leg, so you will have a table leg function. And one more function is table, and you have a table. Okay, then finally display solid is used to display the teapot and all the objects in that. So totally there are four functions. One is wall, table leg, table, display solid. We will have a look over one each of the functions. First one is void wall. Void wall will take parameter as thickness. See, wall will have thickness. That is why here in this function, you will have wall thickness. So normally thickness will be in double or int or float, whatever it may be. So for if there is a big value, we are taking it as double. So we will see one by one what is there in wall. Okay, first is push matrix. See, in the first video of teapot, I have told the importance of push matrix and pop matrix. Why you are pushing it? Because a single wall is made, and you are translating that wall to different regions. Totally, there are three walls are there. I'm going to show it. Okay, I'm going to show it. I'm going to show the output once. You can see here in this program, you can see first, second, and third. So three wall are there, and only one wall is drawn. And you are translating this wall from here to here, here to here. So only a single wall is drawn, and you are translating it. Okay, translation means pushing from here to here. Translation from here to here. So you are using translation of the wall. Okay. So here you are using what? That is push matrix, first one. Then we will see what you are doing. Okay, I told you you are using translate D. These are the values which you are giving here. Okay, these are the value. You can change it and see what are the values it will change. I'm exactly translating from that position. This position means you should give this value only. Okay, translate. Next is scale. Why you are scaling? Because you are making objects smaller and bigger according to your thinking. Okay, you can change it. Okay, 1.0 or more or whatever it is. Scale. Okay, according to the figure you can change it. Okay, here I am taking it as 1.0 and 1.0. This one is the thickness of the wall. It will be same, the thickness. Scale. Then I'm calling glut solid cube. Since we are drawing a solid cube everywhere, in the output you can see solid cube everywhere. So this is an inbuilt function. This is an inbuilt function used to draw a solid cube, and I'm taking the thickness as 1.0. If you increase this, the cube's thickness will be increased. So finally you are using pop matrix. Why pop matrix? Because whatever changes you have done, that will be popped back, or original will be there, that will be popped. And this push and pop is used in the whole program again and again. Okay, now this is about wall. Now we will go for the table leg. So we will see what is how this table leg function works. In table leg, there are two parameters: thickness and length. One is leg thickness, and the length of the leg. Length means what is the height of that leg. Okay, we will see. Always, you know that whatever operation you do. Okay, here also you are applying transformation, means you have to push. Okay, the same way push matrix, which I explained already in the first video of the teapot program. Then you are doing translate D, the same thing. Okay, then you are doing scaling because you are adjusting the size of the table leg, because table leg is not same everywhere. If you see the behind leg, it will be seen only half of the leg is seen. That is why scaling according to the this one. Solid cube, again it is an inbuilt function, solid cube. Then pop matrix. Why popping it? Because whatever changes you have done, that is pushed to the stack first, and changes you have done, popping the original one. Okay, popping the original one. So you should do this. So this is about table leg. So this is clear. Okay, now we will move on to the next one, that is table. The finally you are going for the table. How, what are the things are there in the table? Okay, first push matrix as discussed in the previous one. Okay, then obviously it is translate. After pushing that, you are translating it means moving one from one position to another position. Then again it is same, scaling, scale d. Then glut solid cube because it is a solid cube, it is an inbuilt function, it looks like a solid cube. Table also, that is why solid cube. You can change the values according to your convenience. Okay, then finally you are popping it. Okay, this is for one. Again, now uh, this one is for the table. Now you are finding out the distance. This distance is see, I told you in the teapot program you are setting the camera. So for setting the camera, you are setting the distance, that is 0.95 into top width, that is a top width which you are using in the scaling, divided by 2.0 minus leg thickness divided by 2.0. So you are setting the distance between the width and the thickness. That is very important. Then again you are doing push matrix. We will see why you are doing push matrix. Translate table leg. See, I will just go on with the table. Okay, next line is translate table leg, translate table leg, translate table leg, pop. So finally see here, you can see here one by one. Okay, here table leg came. Okay, here table leg came, here also, here also, here also. 4 times table leg has came. So for a table you need 4 table leg. For your program you need 4 table leg. That is why you are calling 4 times and you are using translation on that.